Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Let's wait for 5 minutes, then I'll start. Hello everyone. My name is Astha Bora, and after receiving an overwhelming response from my last workshop, once again I'm here to take an interesting workshop, and that is, yes, Peppa Pig in Muddy Puddle. So for today's workshop, you need an A4 size sheet, white sheet, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, black sketch pen and oil pastel colors. Meanwhile, be ready with all the materials. Let me quickly give you a brief intro of what My Kids Drawing is. My Kids Drawing is a place to store and share drawings that will be treasured forever. Their mission is to celebrate artistic expression, that is, they want children to be proud of their art and dream big. Do you know, My Kids Drawing even conduct monthly theme competitions and winners get amazing gifts. Isn't that cool? So kids, what are you waiting for? Go and upload your drawings. You can even earn talent coins by uploading and sharing your drawings. And now let me tell you something about myself. I am a teacher by profession and artist by passion, and today we will be learning Peppa Pig in Muddy Puddle. And for that, you need A4 size white sheet, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, black sketch pen and oil pastel colors. Yes, you can draw the borders. You can draw the borders. Hello everyone. Yes, you can use wax crayons. If you are not having oil pastel colors, you can use wax crayons. Once again I am repeating, you need A4 size white sheet, pencil, eraser, sharpener, black sketch pen and oil pastel colors. And if you are not having oil pastel colors, no problem, you can use crayons. So kids, are you all ready? Just write yes so that I can know that you are ready with your material and I can start with today's workshop. Okay, once again I am repeating, you need A4 size white sheet, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale and oil pastel colors. And if you don't have oil pastel colors, you can even use crayons. Okay, so let's get started. You need to draw the borders like this. And now, first we will be drawing this curve shape. This curve we will be drawing first of all. Okay? So kids, start with me. You have to draw one curve shape like this. One curve like this. Now, we are going to draw the muddy puddle first of all. Okay? So now, here comes the muddy puddle. In a zigzag form you have to make. Peppa Pig's favorite muddy puddle. You know why we have drawn this muddy puddle first? So that we can get idea that where we have to draw our Peppa Pig. Just write done in the comment box so that I can proceed further. Those who have joined late, today we are drawing Peppa Pig in muddy puddle, and for that you need an A4 size white sheet, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, black sketch pen and oil pastel colors. Okay, now let's draw the Peppa Pig. So for that, what we have to do is, as you all can see, which shape is this? Any number is here. Which number? Any guesses? Yes, it is 6. And now what we have to do is, we'll draw one curve like this. First of all, a small C. Now, a small oval shape like this. and then like this. All of you have drawn? Those who have joined late, we are drawing Peppa Pig in Muddy Puddle. And for that, first we have drawn this curve. Then we have drawn this muddy puddle. Now we are drawing Peppa. Now we are drawing Peppa Pig. Okay, now next step is we are going to draw the dress of the Peppa Pig. So for that, we need to draw two curves like this. If you have completed till here, just write done. Just write done so that I can proceed further. Okay, now next what we have to do is we are going to join this from the bottom and we are going to draw two small standing lines. Now we are going to make these shoes this way. And another one in the same manner. Like this. Completed till here? Just write done in the comment box. Okay, next what we have to do is we are going to make the eyes of the Peppa Pig. So for that we have to make two small circles like this and two more circles inside the big circle. Then we have to make cheeks of the Peppa Pig. Okay, let's wait. Those who have not completed, you can complete till here. Once you complete, just write done. Just write done in the comment box. Next, we are going to draw a smiley face because Peppa Pig is always smiley. Happy, happy Peppa Pig. Now, two more small circles inside. That is the nose we have to make. Now, the ears of the Peppa Pig. Wow, this Peppa Pig is really looking very nice. And then we have to make the hands of the Peppa Pig. You have to draw curve like this, small curves on both the sides. Then draw a V shape. Then draw a V shape. Now, the small tail of the Peppa Pig. All of you have completed? Next, we are going to draw clouds. So, for the clouds, we have to make small curves like this. We have to make clouds in a curve shape, and that is broad we are going to make. Again we are going to make one more cloud which will be little bit bigger than our first cloud. Because you know Peppa Pig, he is jumping in the muddy puddle. And when do we get this muddy puddle? When it rains. So we have to make big clouds. One more small cloud. And still, if you find that some more space is left, you can make some more clouds on the top side. Completed till here? Just write done in the comment box. You have to make the clouds right at the top. Now we are going to make the hut. For that, you can use your Now we have to make the hut. For that, you can take 1 centimeter. You can draw 1 centimeter line. 1 centimeter line in the center. Am I audible now? Again, you have to draw 1 centimeter line. You have to draw 1 centimeter line and leave 2 centimeter gap in between. Leave 2 centimeter gap in between, and both the lines should be of 1 centimeter. Then from the second line, you have to mark a dot where your 3 centimeter comes. And now you have to again draw 1 centimeter line, but now the gap is of 3 centimeter. And then now we have to make a shape like this. We have to make a shape like this. Now we have to join these lines. And same, we are going to draw one line from the top and we are going to join it over here in the end. There is no network issue from my side. Now next we are going to draw the door, U shape, we have to draw a door, and now two small windows in a rectangle form, two small windows. All of you have completed till here. Just write done in the comment box. Just write done in the comment box so that I can proceed further. Okay. Now next we are going to make some splashes, water splashes. Anywhere you can make these water splashes. Now draw two parallel lines in the corner. Draw two parallel lines in the corner. And now draw one slanting line. Draw one slanting line. Again draw 1 centimeter line. And again 1 more centimeter line. And now join this box. Join this box. Okay, now I am waiting. You all can complete till here. Then we'll start with the coloring part. Meanwhile, you all complete the pencil work. Those who have completed, be ready with your colors, that is light green, oil pastel colors, that is light green, deep green, light blue, Persian blue, lemon yellow, pink, red, brown, and black color. Once again I am repeating all the colors. Those who have completed with the pencil work, now you be ready with your colors, that is light green, deep green, lemon yellow, light blue, Persian blue, brown, red, pink and black, and even your black sketch pen. Just write done if you have finished with your pencil work. Just write done if you have finished with your pencil work. Okay, now Take your black sketch pen and quickly outline everything. Quickly outline everything. Colors, once again I am repeating. Oil pastel, light green, deep green, lemon yellow, light blue, Persian blue, pink, red, brown and black. Yes, you can use soft pastel also. Yes, you can use soft pastel also. And those who are not having oil pastel, you can even use crayons. Those who have finished can start outlining everything with the black sketch pen. You have to outline it with black sketch pen. You have to outline everything with the black sketch pen. Everything with the black sketch pen. And after outlining it, you can erase the pencil work. You can erase the pencil work after outlining it with black sketch pen. All the extra pencil work, you can erase it off. Everything you have to outline with black sketch pen. And once you finish off with the pencil work, with the sketch pen work, just erase it off, all your pencil work. And if you have finished with the sketch pen work, just write done in the comment box. Just write done in the comment box if you have finished with your sketch pen work. Now we have to erase the pencil work. Once you have completed with your sketch pen outlining, after that you can erase all the pencil work. so that it will look neat when you are going to color it. It is going to look neat when you are going to color it. All of you have completed? Now comes the fun part, that is the coloring part. So kids, are you all ready? Shall we start with the coloring part? Peppa Pig is waiting to jump in muddy puddle. Before starting with the coloring part, one more thing, you all can write over here, just write muddy puddle with your sketch pen. Because after coloring, sketch pen might not work on this. Just write muddy puddle. Just write muddy puddle. And even in this cloud, the bigger one, you can write Peppa. You can write Peppa Pig. In the big cloud. In the big cloud, you can write Peppa Pig. And in the hoarding which is near to the muddy puddle, you can write muddy puddle with your sketch pen. Because once you are going to color it out, you will not be able to use your sketch pen on these oil pastel colors. So let's start with the coloring part. So first, we will be starting with the clouds. So for that, what you have to do is, take your Persian blue. Take your Persian blue. This Persian blue. Take your Persian blue color. And now, just outline these clouds. Just outline these clouds like this way. Only outlining you have to do. You don't have to fill color inside these clouds. Just outline these clouds like this. Very dark outlining you have to do. For all the three clouds, you have to do. For all the three clouds, you don't have to fill any color inside this. Only outlining you have to do. Only outlining you have to do. Completed? Just write done if you have finished outlining your clouds. You don't have to fill any color inside the cloud. Only outlining you have to do. We only have to highlight the clouds with the Persian blue color. With the Persian blue color, you only have to highlight the clouds. Now be ready with your next color, that is light blue. Light blue color. Be ready with your next color, that is light blue. Now, we don't have to fill any color in the clouds. We are only going to do the background, and that is also very light you have to do. Very lightly you have to fill this white space with the light blue color. Very lightly you have to fill the top background with light blue color. You don't have to fill the clouds with, you don't have to fill any color in the clouds. Very lightly with the light blue color. Very lightly you have to fill it with light blue color. You don't have to fill any color inside the clouds. Completed all of you? If you have completed, just write down in the comment box. Very light color you have to fill in the background. Now, be ready with your next color, that is yellow color, lemon yellow. Lemon yellow. Be ready with your next color, that is lemon yellow. Now, we are going to do this lemon yellow in the house of the Peppa Pig. Leave doors and windows right now. You don't have to fill any color in the doors and windows. You don't have to fill any color in the doors and windows. And even leave this top part. You have to fill lemon color only here, not on the top. Now take the red color, and red color you are going to fill on the top. On the rooftop, you have to fill the red color. On the rooftop, you have to fill the red color. Now for doors and windows, take your dark brown color and fill it in the doors and windows. Take your dark brown color, fill it in the doors and windows. Fill it inside the doors and windows, brown color, dark brown. Now, next color is dark green. Take your dark green color and just highlight this border with your dark green. Only you have to highlight this border. Just highlight this border with the dark green color. Now, next take your light green color. Take your light green color and again draw some border just below your dark green color. Just below the dark green, draw one border like this. Then fill the background. Fill the background very carefully with light green color. Very carefully with light green color. And now very lightly you have to fill. Very lightly you have to fill light green color. For heart, this is lemon yellow. For heart, this is lemon yellow. Leave these splashes. Don't fill any color in the splashes. Even the hoarding. Don't fill any color in the splashes and in the hoarding. Very lightly you have to fill this green color, light green color. Very lightly you have to fill it in the background. Why we are doing background first? Because we have to highlight a Peppa Pig, which we are going to do in the last. Don't fill any green color inside the splashes. Now comes the coloring part for the Peppa Pig. And you know this Peppa Pig is waiting from so long because he wants to jump in the muddy puddle. So let's start coloring the Peppa Pig. For that you need pink color. Pink color. And now what you have to do is outline this Peppa Pig very darkly with your pink color. Just outline, highlight your Peppa Pig. Only the face, okay? Only the face you have to highlight. Only the face you have to highlight with your pink color. Only the face, like this. Now, cheeks of the Peppa Pig. First color the cheeks of the Peppa Pig very darkly. Very dark you have to color. Now very light color you have to fill everywhere in the face. Very light color. Very light color you have to fill in the face. Same pink color we are going to do for the ears. Same pink color we have to fill in the ears. Dark we are going to make the ears. And now next color is red color. Next comes the red color, the dress of the Peppa Pig. The dress of the Peppa Pig. Again the same thing you have to do. Just outline, highlight the dress of the Peppa Pig with the red color. Highlight it with the red color. Highlight it with the red color. And very lightly fill the red color inside the Peppa Pig's dress. Very lightly. Very lightly you have to fill the red color inside the dress. Very lightly you have to fill the red color. Just write down in the comment box if you have finished till here. Just write down in the comment box. Now take the brown color. Or let's do one thing. Let's color the boots of the Peppa Pig first. Take the lemon yellow color. Take the lemon yellow color and just fill this lemon yellow in the boots. In the boots, just fill the lemon yellow color. Now, take your brown color, dark brown. Take your dark brown color. Again the same thing. Outline the muddy puddle. Outline the muddy puddle with the dark brown. Only outline you have to do. Only outlining you have to do. Only outlining you have to do. And very lightly now fill this brown color inside the muddy puddle. Very lightly you have to fill in. Very lightly you have to fill in. And see, I have made one splash over here. You can highlight it with this brown color. Just fill very dark brown in this. Rest everywhere you have to fill very light brown in the muddy puddle. And for all the splashes you have to fill brown color, dark brown. In all the splashes you can make it dark brown. Now take the black color, and black color we can fill in the stand of the hoarding. You can fill black color in the stand. Now again take your lemon yellow color and fill it in this hoarding over here. Fill it in the hoarding. Just write down in the comment box if you have finished till here. Yes, you can use dark brown. You can use dark brown also. If you have completed, just write down in the comment box. And be ready with your next color, that is Persian blue. Be ready with your next color, that is Persian blue. Be ready with your next color, that is Persian blue. This is Persian blue. And now you have to do black for the stand and yellow for the hoarding. Where you have written muddy puddle, there you have to do yellow color. And for the stand, you have to fill black color. Now Persian blue color, and we are going to make rain. So for that, just draw slanting lines like this. Random and very dark slanting lines like this with your Persian blue color. Slanting lines like this. Slanting lines you have to make randomly. You can make it anywhere. And this Peppa Pig is all set to jump in muddy puddle. So did you all enjoy it? And you know he's even singing the song, jumping up and down in muddy puddle with a splish splash and a big splash here and a big splash there. Jumping up and down in muddy puddle. This Peppa Pig is really very excited. And now when you have completed it, so she's very happy. And now you can write your name at the bottom with the pencil. And kids, don't forget to share your drawings. Write your name and share your drawing. And you can share your drawings on My Kids Drawing, on My Kids Drawing page, and for Facebook you can share it on My Kids Drawing. For Instagram, that is mykidsdrawing.in, and you can even drop them a mail, that is mykidsdrawing@gmail.com. And you can even share your drawings to me On Facebook, that is Hapcrafty, and for Instagram it is _happycrafty, and you can even drop me a mail on ashusofian@gmail.com. Just write your name at the bottom, and Peppa Pig is ready to jump in muddy puddle. Just write your name at the bottom, and you can share your drawings with us. We will be happy to see your work. And I would like to thank all the kids who participated with me and who have drawn this wonderful Peppa Pig. I hope you all enjoyed. It was really fun making this Peppa Pig. Don't forget to share your drawings. Yeah, we didn't use tissue paper because we didn't need anything. There was nothing to blend. Thank you so much, everyone. Yes, you can even share through Messenger, or you can even share on the page. You can share on My Kids Drawing for Facebook without leaving any space. For Instagram, mykidsdrawing.in, and you can even drop them a mail, that is mykidsdrawing@gmail.com. And you can even send your drawings to me. For Facebook, it is Hapcrafty. For Instagram, it is _happycrafty, and you can even drop me a mail on ashusofian@gmail.com. Thank you, everyone. Now it's time to say bye-bye. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share your drawings. Write your name and share your drawings. Bye.